Yes, you saw that right. China tires on the Lexus. Why?
Basa-basa dumas.
China tires on the Lexus. Why? Bakit ba? Paki mo. Pera ko to eh. Kotse ko to eh. Doesn't that sound so familiar? That response. Di ba yan yung mga sagot ng mga tao when you ask them, oh, bakit ka naka-China car? Bakit ka naka-China bike? Of course, we're not going to give you that response. We're going to actually let you know why. Why I went with Black Hawk. Or better yet, why not? Diba? Why not? So, this is our family. Our family, meaning not just my car. This brand of tires is something we've been using. Our family has been using for quite some time already. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our fifth set already. This is, yeah, correct, fifth set. The first time I had an experience with Black Hawk was when pre-pandemic, we have a Nissan Tiana. So Nissan Tiana is one of the Nissan's luxury car with a nice V6 engine. Nung kailangan na niya magpalit ng gulong, when I asked around, and a friend of mine who Skunk Works, who sells me tires, sabi niya, subukan mo ang Black Hawk, it's really good. So sabi ko, sige, why not? I'll give it a try because I do trust the people in Skunk Works. They're not going to sell me something na sablay, diba? So I went ahead and tried a set of Black Hawk tires there. The Tiana is something we actually use every time bumabiyahe kami. So when we go to Baguio, when we go to Batangas, when we go to Tagaytay. So it does get a lot of high-speed usage, a lot of long trips, and I had never had any problem with the tire. Meaning, performance-wise, hindi ako nagka-problema na madulas ba siya kung umuulan, is may mga madali ba siya mapudpud, or madali bang masira yung goma. Wala, no problem at all. That was pre-pandemic, if I'm not mistaken. And we just sold the Tiana a few months ago. So it's been, I think that was 4 years yung sa amin yung gulong. Ang ganda ng gulong, makapit pa rin. Halos, the wear is pantay and everything. Kaya nga after that, when we required a change of tires for our Avanza, wala rin, nabenta na yung Avanza rin. Yun din, Black Hawk is what we put in. Remember, the Avanza is our halos everyday yan na car. Yan yung pang harabas na kotse. Yun, we put Black Hawk also. And then when another family member needed tires for the SUV, which is a Toyota Fortuner, yun din yung nirecommend ko, and no issues at all. No issues at all. And lately, if you remember the stories that I posted, my dad's Kia Sorento, we also replaced it with that. So this is our actually fifth set of tires. Now, what is Black Hawk, or who is Black Hawk, by the way? It's part of one of the biggest China branded tire company or tire manufacturer, which is the Sailun Group. So if you guys are not familiar with Sailun Group, that is highly unlikely because according to Sailun Philippines, they are the #1 brand in the Philippines. So I have no way of checking that, but ganun kalaki ang Sailun pati here in the Philippines. But Sailun is number 12 overall in terms of how big the tire manufacturer is compared to all brands in the world. All, as in all brands in the world, number 12 siya. I think there's only one brand of Chinese brand that is bigger than it. It's the Zhongshe something, but it's the tire manufacturer that sells Westlake. So I think mas familiar kayo with that brand, Westlake. But if you are going to check, so this is the ranking. This is the ranking. In terms of ranking, the number one brand all over the world is Michelin, followed by Bridgestone, and then you have Goodyear at number 3. Number 4 is Continental. Number 5 is Sumitomo. Sumitomo is Dunlop and Falcon, if you guys are more familiar with that brand. Pirelli, then Hankook. So Hankook is the Korean brand. Yokohama, then Zhongshe, the Westlake, is number 9. Number 10 is Maxxis. Maxxis, I think, is the tires ng Vespa. The stock tires of the Vespa is Maxxis. Then number 11 is Toyo. Toyo, which also manufactures what's their other brand of Toyo? It's Nito. Nito is under Toyo also, the brand. And then number 12 is Cylon. But there are more than 50 manufacturers in the whole world. Kita nyo yung mga ibang binibenta dito sa Philippines ng mga budget tires. They're not even, I haven't even mentioned them, so which means they're all below Cylon Group. Okay, so in terms of sales, Cylon sold, this is 2023 ranking. So based on the sales of the previous year, which is 2022. 2022, Cylon had a sales of 3.3 billion. Ganun karami ang nabenta nilang gulong. Toyo, which is the 11th biggest, had a sales of 3.4 billion. Konting-konti, that's how. I'm not surprised if by next year naabutan na nila ang Toyo. Probably Cylon will probably go up to number 11 and maybe Toyo go down. I'm not surprised. Now, another thing that made me actually consider getting Black Hawk is because Black Hawk is being sold not just here in the Philippines or only here in Asia. It's actually being sold all over the world. I know they are being sold in Europe. They're being sold in the US, in Canada, in the Middle East. And you know naman, sa US pa lang sa mga safety ratings nila it's not easy to just sell something there without all this test and ratings that you need to pass. If you're going to look at online reviews, in fact, Amazon actually sells Black Hawk tires, and the reviews there, it's usually nasa mga 4-star ang rating. There's no major complaints of it just disintegrating or yung mga issue ng tao or madulas siya. Wala masyado. As in, it is providing what it's designed for. Diba? Walang issues, no issues at all. Diba? So these are some of the things that made me actually consider Black Hawk. Secondary na makakatipid ako. If I were to compare the price of this compared to other brands, like the other brands that I mentioned, Toyo, Michelin, Goodyear, and all those, I'd probably be saving at least 50%. That's how affordable the tire is. Sobrang sulit talaga, sobrang sulit. And mind you, I'm not being paid to say anything of this. These are not sponsored video. These are hard-earned money that I actually save to buy me these tires. No, but these are honest review. This is actually sobra akong happy dito sa brand na to. So the tires that I use is what they call the HH01, which is a 107V rated. So it's 107 is the load rating, V is the speed rating. It's the same rating that is on the Goodyear that we replaced this tire with. If you're going to look at the video also, the tires of the previous tire of this was, I think we replaced that back in 2018. So medyo matanda na talaga. Kahit na hindi pa super pudpud, medyo nagbibitak-bitak na yung edges niya. Kaya that's why it was time to actually have it replaced already. So the size of the tire we replaced it with is the same size, which is the factory na size, which is 235/60/18. But I cannot give you a review on how the tire performs yet. No, so I'm only basing it on the other tires that I have used, the other Blackhawk tires I've used. Kasi nga, kakalagay lang natin dito, this is the first time the Lexus is actually using Blackhawk tires. But I will see in a few months, or at least baka in 1 year's time, if we make another review of the tires. But sa ngayon, all I can give you is my opinion based on the 4 sets I've owned before. So guys, if you guys are actually looking for something that is a good quality tires at a budget that you can afford, consider Blackhawk. It's really, I have nothing but good things to say about it. Okay guys, thank you very much. If you haven't, please don't forget to like and subscribe.